Hi guys, welcome to the episode. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of a Rode mic to get better sound quality for your DSLR. Okay guys, I'm just going to do the opening of this Wireless Go Rode mic. So it's a compact wireless microsystem. It's ultra compact. It's got a built-in microphone. It's got a digital 2.4 gigahertz transmission. And it is what you need, to tell you the truth. If you've been watching my last few videos, I've been recording those videos without this. So I'm gonna just open this box up and let's see what it's all about. And then I'm gonna make some videos of how to use this. So let's just open this up. I don't wanna sort of damage this. So there we go. So this is a brand new box and this is the first opening of this product. Okay, so it is sealed. Okay, so you might wanna check the seal on it to see that it's original. So it is sealed, this. Okay, it's quite a tough open, so as you can see. I'm going to open this. There we go. Oh my days. I'm going to rip it. So let's just do it like this. So there we go. Wow, God, Rode mic really likes to seal their products, don't they? So here it is. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Open it up, and inside you've got your wireless health safety by the looks of it, and how to be safe with this product. Okay, and then you've got your quick start guide on how to use this product. So I would think it gives you like a tutorial, like how to sort of get it started, how to sort of charge it up, and how to connect it up. And I'm gonna have to read through that and then sort of make the next video on how to use this. And then here you've got like a little pouch, and then these are lovely. It's like little squirrels. Little hello. These are quite nice, aren't they? Oh my days. They're like little pom-poms. So you've got these. I don't know what this is. You know, whenever you get a product, you get these. If anyone knows what this is, give me a shout out, because I don't know what this is. Why do these come in packaging? Is it sweets? I don't know. So you've got that. Then you've got this connector. So you've got a, what is it? You've got a SC4 cable, which is this. 2 furry wood shields. That's what these are called. Hello. Okay. And so if I open it up, and then here you've got your 2 Rode mics. So really nicely presented, to tell you the truth. So there's one. Okay. And there's the transmitter as well. So that's the transmitter, and that is the receiver. And inside you've also got some USB cables. So you've got a USB-C. Yeah, you've got 2 USB-Cs. Gosh, they give you 2. Amazing. Got one for my phone now as well. Happy days. So you've got 2 USB cables, and you've also got 2 Rode mics. Okay. So I'm going to get these started up, and then I'm going to have a go and see what it's like. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.